Alright guys, today we're just going to install the tuning run for the HDP Compact from Umarex, and this is the tuning run. It's the aftermarket barrel from HomeDefense24.com, and comes with an extension. It gives you a little bit more boost and power, and it's got a threaded cap. Just take this cap off if you don't want to use the extension. It's an M15 one thread. And yeah, so this will screw onto here like this. You can attach a silencer, whatever, mock suppressor, any kind of muzzle device with the M15 one thread. So yeah, let's get right into this. Alright, so I already went ahead and took out the screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, just save a little bit of time here. So I pretty much removed all the screws. I just loosened them, but they're still in there. So there, take that off. There, take the shell out. So yeah, basically just remove those screws and all this will come off just like that. The same thing with on here. If you can see, I have a brass barrel installed in this. With HPA, it gets me up to around 51 joules, but I gotta take this out anyway because I kind of fell on this and kind of bent it a bit. But anyways, where's the little flathead? Okay, here. Oh, did I miss any? Oh, there's one here. Okay, that should be good. Okay. So now we got the casing off. All I'll do is this just drops in, so I'll take this out, take it out of the detent, and that's all just black Gorilla tape. Just locks in the slots and stuff. So anyways, throw that over the side, and then there's that detent. Once you start using 12.7 millimeter rounds and HPA, this thing just blows apart in pieces. So I gotta get this sent out to somebody with a printer to make some of these, kind of like Gregora makes the ones for the HDP 50, the big one. Those come apart real quick too, and he makes a really nice replacement that lasts. Anyways, so basically it is, once you get that open, we're just going to go ahead and put that over top of this, the non-threaded end of the barrel. So we just put that on there, like so. And then it goes back in here, just like it come out, same way. And then you just take your casing, the top part, and put it back on. And then just put the screws back in. Yeah, now with this tuning rim barrel, you can keep on adding sniper extensions too for more power. So these are the larger ones, but they'll fit right on perfectly. And there's ones that are half size he's got in the store, but yeah. So yeah, basically, just put this back in here, and then oh, hold on. I think that part goes on last. So yeah, we'll put this guy on. Yeah, so now we can do the rest of the screws up. Just a few of them here. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just gotta take the casings off and it just drops in and out. Alrighty, so just go ahead and put this side back on. And just a couple more screws. It's more work putting the screws in and out. And there's the last one. Oh well, for this side there's still a top slide part, but anyways. And there's just 5 more in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So now we got the threaded tip on. You can go ahead and add your extension that comes with it for a little more kick, or you can use multiple sniper extensions, which it's slightly bigger than the extension, and the one's threaded female, but this one's made to go on for the end, so you can't put any extensions on this piece, so this would go on last if you're gonna make a rifle or something. But yeah, see, so this will go on here. The longer you go, the more power you're gonna get. And you can also add on to your suppressor devices. And so on. You can muzzle device, whatever. Like one of those ones for ramming. Yeah, guys. There's the threaded cap that it comes with. Just to cover up those threads. And then that's it. HDP Compact tuning run barrel. Anyways, guys, next up, I'm going to install the HDR 50 and then an HDR 68 one as well. And we'll see you guys then. Take care, stay safe, and have a good one.